Namaste. Today's video is about forward bending. I'm going to explain a simple and effective method, a safe method to improve our forward bending capability. Generally, I have observed that the forward bending capability of many people is very limited. Most of the times, the reason for this limited forward bending capability is a tight hamstring. The bottom of the thigh is tight and stiff, due to which the person is not able to bend forward properly. Forward bend is not bringing head on the knee. A forward bend gets completed when the navel or the abdominal region touches the thigh. So let me show you a forward bend. So I inhale, take my arms up sideways, lengthen my back first, take a long back, and then while exhaling, I bend forward, trying to bring the stomach first. The navel has to come first. Then reaching the arms really forward, I try to reach maximum front, catch wherever I can get the hold, and then try to bring the stomach first and the chest second, and finally the head. So if you observe, the idea of forward bend is bringing stomach or navel to the thigh. So many of the people, they may not be able to reach this level. So they may be able to hold the knee. Beyond that, they cannot bend this much or this much. Some people can go further and make a good bend. So now let me come to the point that I am going to explain. Let us start with the end in mind. As I said, what was the end point? Bringing stomach to the thigh. So let's start from there. I bring my thigh to the stomach. So I brought my thigh up and touched it on my stomach. So some of us still may not be able to reach the toe. So what do? I use a belt like this. You can use any piece of cloth which is long enough. I wrap it on my hands and put it around the feet. So my thigh and stomach are touching. Gradually, with this contact on, I have to straighten my leg. So I straighten my leg like this, but I ensure that my stomach and thigh are touching. After a week or two, little more straighten my legs. So I can feel my hamstrings are stretching now. Catch a little longer, little more straighten my legs. After about 1 or 2 months, it will become like this. Then gradually, so you can see the contact of stomach and thigh is maintained continuously. And then slowly, I bring my leg straight. By this time, it would have been easy to catch the toe also. And then keeping the contact of stomach and thigh intact, I reach maximum down. And putting the head down is very easy. It does not cause much effect on the forward bend. So where did I start? I started from here, keeping the contact of thigh and stomach intact. I catch wherever possible. Keeping this contact on, I lengthen my leg. I straighten the knee. Again I straighten the knee, keeping the contact of the stomach and thigh. Again straighten the knee. So this process may take a few months, but it's a very safe method because the back remains flat. It's not rounding like this. If you round your back and try to bring your head on the knee, it will cause back problem. So let me recap. the best way to do a good forward bend or improve our forward bending capability is to bend the knee, bring the thigh on stomach, catch the legs wherever possible. You can use a belt or using your hand, catch the feet or even ankle or heel, wherever you can catch, keeping the contact of stomach and thigh intact. Keep on straightening the legs. You can see gradually after a few months the legs will become straighter, the body and the thigh will travel together to the ground, and finally a day will come when the legs become straight and the stomach and thigh are together. When that comes, just put your head down. Namaste.